Volvo Cars, the premium car maker, further expanded its lineup of SUVs with the launch of its new Volvo XC40 small premium SUV in Milan, Italy. At the same time as it introduces the Volvo XC40, Volvo Cars also reinvents the traditional model of car ownership with its new Care by Volvo subscription service. Care by Volvo, first available on the XC40 from launch, makes having a car as transparent, easy and hassle-free as having a phone. A monthly flat fee subscription means down payments, price negotiations, and local price differences belong to the past. Depending on regional availability, Care by Volvo will also include access to a range of digital concierge services such as fueling, cleaning, service pickup and e-commerce delivery to the car. The Volvo XC40 with Care by Volvo is available to order online from today in selected markets. Volvo XC40 drivers will also be the first Volvo customers who can share their car with friends and family via Volvo On Call with a new digital key technology. Car sharing comes as standard for Care by Volvo customers. The arrival of the Volvo XC40 means that for the first time in its history, Volvo Cars has 3 new, globally available SUVs in what is the fastest growing segment of the automotive market, paving the way for further growth in terms of sales and profitability. The new Volvo XC40 is the first model on Volvo Cars' new Modular Vehicle Architecture, CMA, which will underpin all other upcoming cars in the 40 series including fully electrified vehicles. Co-developed within Geely, CMA provides the company with the necessary economies of scale for this segment. The XC40 is our first entry in the small SUV segment, broadening the appeal of the Volvo brand and moving it in a new direction, said Håkan Samuelsson, President and Chief Executive. It represents a fresh, creative, and distinctive new member of the Volvo lineup. So it only feels natural to reveal the XC40 here in Milan, a buzzing European hotspot for fashion, art, design, and lifestyle. In terms of technology, the XC40 brings the award-winning safety, connectivity, and infotainment technologies known from the new 90 and 60 series cars to the small SUV segment. Like its larger siblings, the XC40 highlights the transformational effect of these new, in-house developed technologies on brand and profitability. These technologies make the XC40 one of the best-equipped small premium SUVs on the market. Safety and driver assistance features on the XC40 include Volvo Cars Pilot Assist System, City Safety, Run Off-Road Protection and Mitigation, Cross-Traffic Alert with brake support and the 360 degrees camera that helps drivers maneuver their car into tight parking spaces. The Volvo XC40 also offers a radically new approach to storage inside the car. Ingenious interior design provides XC40 drivers with, among other things, more functional storage space in the doors and under the seats, a special space for phones including inductive charging, a fold-out hook for small bags and a removable waste bin in the tunnel console. 3 petrol and 2 diesel engines will initially be available, with power ranging from 150 to 250 HP. All these engines are 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder units. There are 156 HP T3, 190 HP T4 and 247 HP T5 petrols, and 150 HP D3 and 190 HP D4 diesels. The T3 is available exclusively with front-wheel drive, while the D3 is offered in front or all-wheel drive form. The T4, T5 and D4 come with all-wheel drive and an automatic gearbox. An automatic gearbox is also available on D3 versions. Full technical details of these engines will be released at a later date. Other powertrains will be offered later in the Volvo XC40's life cycle. Entry-level Momentum versions have the most expressive styling, including textile and vinyl interior upholstery and the option of a contrast-colored white roof and door mirrors, along with white and black alloy wheels. Momentum XC40s are extremely well equipped as standard, including Volvo's cutting-edge Sensus 9 touchscreen that works in tandem with the sophisticated voice-activated control system. The class-leading connectivity features continue with Sat-NAV, which includes real-time traffic information, RTTI, and lifetime map updates, and 3 USB sockets. The Sensus system also allows access to a range of web apps, including Spotify, TuneIn, Google Local Search and Yelp. The groundbreaking Volvo On-Call smartphone app and emergency assistance package is also fitted to every Volvo XC40. This allows you to control various functions of your car remotely from your smartphone or smartwatch, such as locking and unlocking the doors, and, on automatic versions, even starting the engine in order to preheat or cool the cabin. It can also automatically alert the emergency services if your car is involved in an accident, and use the car's inbuilt GPS to direct them to your precise location. Also standard are LED headlights, dual-zone climate control with Volvo's sophisticated clean zone air filtration system, a 12.3 active TFT configurable driver's information display and rear parking sensors. Alloy wheels are 18 as standard, with up to 21 wheels available as an option. Sector First standard safety equipment includes city safety, Volvo's automatic emergency braking system that can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals, and oncoming lane mitigation, which warns you if you move out of your lane into the path of an oncoming vehicle and provides steering assistance to guide you safely back into your lane.